Welcome to the StackOps Subscribe and Install tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the easy steps to get StackOps up and running in your AWS account in less than 5 minutes. First, open your browser and log into your AWS console. For this demonstration, I'll be using AWS IAM Identity Center and accessing the console for the account where I want to subscribe to and install StackOps. Once logged in, open a separate browser tab and navigate to the StackOps homepage at stackops.engine.global. You can find a link in the description below. Click the blue Subscribe button in the middle of the page. This will open a new tab on AWS Marketplace at the StackOps product page. Click the orange View Purchase Options or Try for Free button. Next, click the orange Subscribe button. In the green bar that appears, click the white Set Up Your Account button. Now, register with Engine to obtain your StackOps product license key. Enter your email address and check your inbox. Open the confirmation email and click the link to be redirected back to the StackOps service app. On the web page that opens, set your password and then enter your name and address details. An icon to copy the license key and an icon to install StackOps will appear. Click the copy icon to copy the license key to your clipboard. If you want to install StackOps into an AWS account that is different from the Marketplace subscription account you're currently on, switch the AWS account you're logged into now. Now, select a region for installation and click the Launch on AWS icon. You'll be forwarded to the AWS CloudFormation console. Confirm that the page is pre-filled with StackOps details, then click the orange Next button. Paste the license key parameter from your clipboard. Enter a comma-separated list of AWS principals for the authorized user ARNs. In this example, we'll use the current AWS account number and also the management AWS account number. This configuration allows any IAM user from those accounts to utilize their temporary credentials to log into StackOps once it's been installed. Click the orange Next button to proceed to the Configure Stacks options page. Then click Next again to proceed to the Review Stack Details page. Scroll to the Capabilities section at the bottom. Check the box to acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation will create IAM resources with custom names. Then click the orange Submit button. Wait approximately 3 minutes for the AWS CloudFormation stack to complete. Once the stack is complete, go to the Outputs tab. Select the Access URL link to display the login page for StackOps. Add this to your favorites. Now we will confirm all is working by logging in. Click the blue Login button. I'm obtaining temporary credentials from the Identity Center tab. Remember to use option 2 when copying temporary credentials to the clipboard. Switch back to the StackOps tab, paste and click the blue Login button. And that's it. You're now ready to use StackOps. Thank you for watching this tutorial.